Hey everybody, early
Come here alive.
and I want y'all to see this.
You know I've been searching for someone who can share that special love with me. And your eyes have that glow. Could it be your face I see on my computer screen? You're a special girl, sharing my computer world. I no longer need astrology, thanks to my technology.
It's something in the gather all of it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Wow. Well, I'll be in there really soon today. I'll be in there cooling out today. Oh, yes, I will. Yes, I will. Don and Tanya was in there last night, 1 o'clock in the morning. 1 o'clock, 1:30, I came downstairs because I was watching television.
That's a real vacation mode.
Oh my God. I said, y'all got y'all private time. Let me get out of here.
Yeah, that's real vacation mode.
Yeah.
No shame in that.
Right. Okay, I'll be back with you guys later. Peace out.